Pala yung harap ng ayon. Ganda ng pagkaka-design. So later try natin yung walls na tinapay. Ano ba ito? Ayan o, kita nyo, walls. At the Iron Orchard, so kababa lang namin ng train and look, ang taas, ganda. Screen siya, parang open. Ito yung train, MRT, at naglabasan natin. Ikot lang muna kami dito and hanap ng pwedeng kainan for lunch kasi 1:27 hindi pa rin kami makapag-lunch. Baka trigger na naman to ng migraine. Let's try to find something to eat here. Try namin dito sa Cam's Roast Express. So meron silang mga roast ducks. So we just purchased this one. Salt and camembert cookie for $16.80. It's already 10 pieces. So global tax fee for 100 and above purchase. So try namin itong Old Chunky Sotong Head Stick. Ito. Na malasa. Hindi na kailangan ng suka. Try mo. May dala akong histamine. Allergic ka sa seafood. How is it? Okay lang? Yan, kitang-kita. Kakain pa lang ng lunch. Pero ang tinitignan, pagkain ulit. Basta kami ngayon ng Iron Orchard. And hanap kami dito nung walls na ice cream. Kasi wala na daw banda dun sa may Marina Bay Sands within the vicinity. So dito na daw sa may orchard sila matatagpuan. Siguro pinagbawalan sila dun. Quite not sure. Wow. Wow, look at that. Sure. Ganda, oh. Ayos. Wala yung harap ng ayon. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-design. Geometric. Iron Orchard. Dior, Tiffany & Co, Cartier. Lahat ng mga luxury brands na dito. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton.
Now this is the real Louis Vuitton.
Nasaan? Ayun, kita na. So, a little background about this Walls ice cream. So, kung papansin nyo later, yung Walls na logo is similar to what we have in the Philippines called Selecta. Yung pala, yung Selecta, sa iba't ibang lugar, iba-iba yung mapangalan nila. Ito pa rin pala yung yung sinasabi kong iba-ibang kulay. Ayan. So, later try natin yung Walls.
Sorry, I'm distracted.
I think this one, yung sa yellow umbrella, is Magnolia. And yung Walls is over there. The red umbrella. So, doon tayo sa Walls. Yung nakasanayan natin. Okay. Meron ding Burberry dito. Tingnan naman. Grabe yung pagkakatayo ng mga buildings dito. Visually pleasing talaga. And mapapansin nyo, most of the structures here in Singapore, even yung mga attractions, parang majority of those were man-made.
I was just not thinking anything in particular, just random thoughts, and bam, it suddenly occurred to me.
We're gonna buy ice cream kay Auntie. So dito, para siyang para siyang block, block, para siyang sliced. Tapos pwede siyang ipapalaman sa tinapay. Doon pa tayo. Ayan kita nyo, balls. So, ito yung, meron silang wafer. Try natin yung wafer. So, ito. Meron silang yam, choco chip, durian, vanilla, sweet corns, mango, ripple, mocha chip, blueberry, nata de coco, red bean, chocolate, mint, choco chip. Of course, chocolate sa akin. So, this one is only for $1.50. The wafer one. That one. Thank you. Pwedeng wafer yung yung isasama. Tapos, yung ipapalaman. Ipapalaman yung ice cream dun sa wafer. And pwede rin itong bread.
What? I'm confused now.
Before we tried already the bread one. So, ayun, kay namin yung wafer. Picture. Another one is chocolate. Ano yung order mo?
Blueberry.
Blueberry. Okay, so yung kay wife is blueberry. And sa akin is chocolate. Of course, favorite. Ayun, no? Parang black siya. Ini-slice siya. And then, papalaman ng wafer. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Doon kami sa may lilim. Ano kumakain ito? So, wafer. Kamusta yung blueberry? Approved kay wife. Dito pa sa Ion na mall, kabilang side is yung Lucky Plaza. Ito yung sabi nila na maraming mga Pinoy daw na nag-hangout dito kapag day off nila. Ayan, we've been there before. Ano nga ba yung mall dun sa... yung maraming Divisoria yun, parang ganun, mall sa Divisoria. And also, just to share, napansin lang din namin since we got here. Yan, kagaya binilihan natin kina auntie kanina nitong walls. Kahit na may edad na rito, parang hindi sila tumitigil sa pagtrabaho. Even sa mga establishments and mga fast foods like McDonald's and such. Even yung may edad na, talagang minamaximize sila as long as gusto magtrabaho, pagkatrabahuhin. So, sobrang ganda kasi yung job opportunities dito, hindi lang limited for the young ones, but also merong opportunity for those na mga elders na gusto pa rin na mag-work.
Wow, that's amazing.
Okay, ligaw moments tayo. Habang naliligaw, let's appreciate the view. Big skyscrapers. Ang tataas ng mga buildings dito. Ang ganda. Colorful yung taas itong building na to. Tapos merong mga bilog-bilog dito. Lumabas kami ng Raffles Station and hindi namin mahanap yung building na supposedly dun kami tatawid para papunta sa Manila Bay Sands. So, currently, Google Map na lang kami. Google Maps. Hopefully, makarating kami dun agad. Pandisayang oras and energy. And, sabi sa Google Maps, 19-minute walk daw siya. Okay. Tignan natin. One Raffles Quay, South Tower by North Tower, Marina Bay Link Mall to the left. Dito tayo. So, yung Marina Bay Link Mall. Need to go downstairs. Marina Bay Link. Nag-explore na lang kami, naliligaw kami ngayon, di namin alam paano tatawid dun sa Marina Bay Sands.
A few moments later.
Yan, nakalabas na kami dun sa parang underpass pero air-conditioned naman. And from here, tanaw na yung parang structure na yun. Alam ko yan, no? Tanaw na rin dito yung Helix Bridge. So, malapit na tayo dun. Grabe yung exploration natin. Kamusta naman ang baby?
Okay naman. I can.
Okay.
I can run.
Okay, sige.
Feet is aching.
Okay. Hindi na natin siya habulin kung hindi naabot. Abot pa? Come on. Ah. 17, 14, 13. Kaya pa naman yan. Pero medyo nakakarattle. Okay.
My God, that was close.
Alright. So, we're here. Merong malaking park dito. Maraming bird droppings. What?
Sa ano kanina? Dapat tumawid tayo like this lang,
Umikot tayo, my God! Doon lang kami galing kanina, tapos umikot kami pa ganun pa ilalim, tapos ito lang pala yun, my goodness. Doon tayo galing, di ba? Hinahanap namin yung Merlion na bumubuga ng water. Pero hindi namin makita. Wow, sobrang relaxing dito. Ayun, may LV. Ayun yung LV na alam namin. Ayun yung Helix Bridge. Not sure kung magdadaan pa natin. Medyo malayo siya. And good thing, medyo cloudy ngayon. Hindi siya ganun kainit. Ayun. Nakita ko na yung Merlion. Thank you, Lord. Hindi na masyadong mapapalayo. Mahirap maligaw. Ubos oras, ubos energy. That's the SGI. And this is the very famous Marina Bay Sands. Walking by the bay. Here. Mukhang di na natin napupuntahan yung banda ron. Medyo malayo siya. Pero try pa rin later kung kaya. Kasi pupunta rin kami dito sa Marina Bay Sands. Yeah. Di ba nakaupo tayo doon dati? Yung near LV. Okay. We're approaching the Merlion now. We're currently here at the Merlion Park. So, lahat ng mga icons here sa SG kita rito. Mga landmarks. I forgot yung tawag dito sa parang mangkok, parang bowl. There you go. You can see the Merlion from here.
Security control in progress.
There. It's been a while, Merlion. Oh. Nakakamiss ito. Here na ang Merlion na nagbubuga ng water at the Merlion's Park. Hindi, dito na lang tayo. Gusto mo pang pumunta ron? Daming tao?
Yeah.
Gusto mo? Maghahanap tayo ng mga taong nakanganga. Kasi ito yung famous shot na yung mga nagpipicture is like blinking from the water coming out from the mouth of this Merlion. At medyo nagdi-drizzle here because of the wind. See? May nakanganga. Oh my God. Nakakain ko yung Doon tayo? Ngayon na may nakanganga siya. You can see other folks here. Hindi, yung di-drizzle. There's a wind. medyo maraming tao, jam-packed here. Even before pa naman, talagang kasing famous spot itong Merlion talaga dito. Here, right here. Feel mo talaga na sa Singapore ka na kapag ito na yung view mo. Siyempre, the very iconic Merlion. Before dati nilakad pa namin yan mula doon, paikot. Then sa likod niyang sa Durian na establishment na yan, hanggat doon sa may Helix Bridge. And then, yan dito sa may in front of the Marina Bay Sands. And dyan meron din LV, may mga upuan and some cafes and restos there. Yung nga lang, gusto ko sanang akitin din sana yun, may bayad dyan sa pinakantaas na itong Marina Bay Sands. Kaya lang mukhang time won't permit na. So maybe next time when we get back here in SG again. We're done with the Merlion encounter and now we're heading toward Starbucks to have some snacks and to cool down a bit. We're already sweaty. And also, we need to pee. Yeah, we need to pee. Alright, so that was fun. And as expected, there are so many folks taking pictures with the Merlion. Well, that's Singapore's trademark. What do you expect? So here, to Starbucks at last. Yeah. We're already here inside Starbucks and I ordered one Belgian coffee frappuccino and we're just going to eat the biscuits that we bought from what's this? Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory. So that would be our snack for today while waiting. Mainit pa rin sa labas pero buti na lang hindi ganun kaaraw. Cloudy today. So, hindi nakakasunog maglakad-lakad. Although, yung singaw, mainit pa rin siya. Nakapawis. Buti dito sa Starbucks, air condition. Sobrang lapit lang niya from the Merlion. Yeah, okay lang mag-chill-chill dito. Okay, done resting at Starbucks. And papunta na kami sa Marina Bay Sands. So, ang paikot kami, papunta dun sa Merlion Park. Merong water. And then, paikot dun sa Helix Bridge. Papunta dun sa Marina Bay Sands. Ito. Paikot kami, papunta. So, laban na ulit. Nakapagpahinga na. Nakapag-cool down na. Silang natin lahat ng mga vibes dito sa nilakaran natin kasi sa mga susunod na araw wala na ulit ito, so back to normal. Pero for now, enjoy the moment muna. Yan, pabalik na ulit tayo dito sa Merlion. Parang familiar sa akin itong Palm Beach. Oo. Moe's Burger. Ang dami namin daan ng Moe's Burger dito. Buti na lang. Daanan ulit natin one last time. Si Merlion. Sobrang dami. Kasi kanina medyo mainit. Although, at tanghaling tapat, maaraw naman. Pero ngayon, grabe. Dumoble o tumiple ang dami ng tao rito. Wait lang, baby. Ano naman to? What's this? So the Merlion has stood as a symbol of Singapore as well as the icon of welcome to visitors since 1970. Tagal na pala nito. It was formally unveiled at this new vantage point on the 15th of September 2002 by Senior Minister Mr. Lee Kuan Yew, sculptor Lee Nang Seng. Daming tao na dito, guys. Dati, meron kaming sinakyan dito yung bus tour. Tapos, isa doon sa mga ino-offer nilang tour is yung parang dock ata yung tawag doon. So, right after the bus tour, ang awid na dito mismo sa, sa dagat. So, parang meron dyang yellow something na sasakyan. Then dyan mismo mag-cruise sa lugar na yan. Ito yung small bridge. Grabe guys, ang daming tao. Very busy. Ano pa ngayon na? Friday ngayon, no? Right? Friday. So, wala pang weekend. Kung andito ka pa sa part ng video na to, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa aming stroll around Marina Bay Part 1. And our next episode, we'll continue our POV walk around Marina Bay Esplanade to the Helix Bridge, the shops at Marina Bay Sands, going all the way to the gardens by the bay's Super Tree Grove. That's all for now, only here at Low Key Travel with your introvert traveler. Ta-ta!